guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Eva from Permaculture Haven in Pacific Haven, Queensland, Australia. We are in our subtropical winter now. It's June, end of June 2020, and I wanted to show you what are we harvesting right now in a 5 years old food forest. Let's get into it and enjoy, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below as usually. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with our herb spiral. So we have here all sorts of different stuff growing nicely. Some parsley, rocket lettuce, onion chives, mustard leaf, some nasturtium, garlic chives, there is Okinawa spinach, so lots and lots of greens. At the back some gotukola, basil, everything. It's all possible herbs what you can imagine are here, and what we like, what we need. So the herb spiral is in the zone 1, just at the veranda. Very handy. We are still harvesting the Rosales. This here lost all the leaves already, so we will get into it. Let's hope before we get frost, if we get any. So they're still really nice and just waiting to be harvested. Our bush basil is going crazy. It's really enjoying the space here. It's just right at the side of the herb spiral, attracting all of the beneficial insects. The galangal, it's really good. Started to harvest now the Alpine Strawberry, the wild strawberry, from under our lime tree. So the limes are beautiful. Also harvesting those. Lots of different greens all the time. So the cabbages are starting to form their heads, so they will be due for harvest soon. Just started to harvest the tree cotton, the beautiful fluffy balls, which I'm so much in love with them. Look at the cuties. Beautiful, beautiful cotton. And I wouldn't imagine it will be so much cotton just in one fruit. So the plant is also very nice. Lots of fruits around, everywhere. That's how they look when they're green. Look at the cuties. I'm overdue with harvesting my chestnuts, my water chestnuts. You can see the brown bits sticking out of the water. So I will have to get into it very soon. Still harvesting the West Indian gherkins. They are everywhere in the food forest. Very yummy as long as you harvest them really young. And harvesting here lots of greens in my banana circle, banana and pigeon peas circle. And we are harvesting our beautiful star fruits, which I grew from seeds as well. The tree. And the funny thing is, look, they are having the flowers and the fruits at the same time. Not many fruits, but still I will have to give it some more love. So we will have more fruits next time. Again, lots of greens. Here, nice mustard green leaf coming into flowers. Here, more greens and some carrots. The cabbages, the heads are forming really nicely. So we can harvest the first ones soon. More greens, more self-seeded lettuce, the Chinese sort lettuce. This is the one I show you. The one here, which was over 2 meters this summer. So still keeping it because there were lots and lots of flowers and lots of insects coming into it. Good stuff. Harvesting some chilies. Still the beautiful blue flowers, the Asian pigeon wings, great for tea and salad. So what else do we harvest here? Some tomatoes. It wasn't very good season for tomatoes this summer, so at least some of them we harvested, and still some more to come. We are also harvesting some parsnip. You can see here how cute. So also the greens are very good for eating raw and in soups and stir fries. In our mandala garden we are already started to harvest the daikon radish, which is growing really good. The leaves are very yummy for eating raw and stir fries and so on. Very good stuff. We are still waiting on the papayas or pawpaws, but we are harvesting our beans, the Madagascar beans. They're all beautiful. Oops. Very good beans for eating. So I just dropped one, doesn't matter, it will grow in spring. We are harvesting obviously turmeric and ginger everywhere. I'm just waiting for the harvest of the Cape gooseberry, which is really nice, and I so hope that we don't get any frost, so they can really ripen nicely. Lots and lots of fruits everywhere, and again lots and lots of greens everywhere, and herbs, spinaches, lettuces, bok choy, pak choy. And all other different stuff. So that's here in the mandala garden. We are also harvesting lots of passion fruits for weeks and weeks already, and it's so delicious. The purple passion fruit, it's my favorite. Still plenty of fruits to ripen, and they are really good size this year. So the cranberry hibiscus, obviously we harvest the leaves as well. We are harvesting the white sweet potatoes. They grow very quickly, very easy, need only little water. They grow much quicker than the red ones or the orange ones. We are also harvesting the Queensland arrowroot. We have it everywhere in the garden. Oh, here's some self-seeded radish and dill, and I forgot the name of the flower. They are really nice as well. Lots of other self-seeding stuff coming up. That's not the topic of the video today. We are harvesting the lemongrass for tea, just cutting and drying, and also for cooking the stems. Still lots of Rosales to harvest. Here's some more white sweet potato to harvest. More Rosales. I hope I'm not too quick with the camera. And again, lots of pigeon peas. Pigeon peas are great. All the pigeon peas you see here in the food forest, I only put the seeds in spring. So it's about 5 to 6 months now. And you can see they loaded with beautiful fruits. Great vegetable. It's a legume. It improves the soil beautifully. So plant it everywhere, wherever you've got space. You're doing something good for the soil and for the chickens and for yourself. So we're having some mandarins. We are harvesting the low cut. I have already eaten most of them. We didn't have many, but they're really yummy. They like plums. Beautiful fruits. Unfortunately, some of them, maybe because it was so dry, so they didn't develop properly, or like are broken in the middle. So if you have any idea why did it happen to my beautiful low-cut fruits, please let me know in the comments. This one will be nice. I will open it up. This is the inside. Very juicy, beautiful, so yummy. And we are harvesting cassava all the time. Cassava is an all-year vegetable. Very yummy. You can eat the leaves when you cook them for 15 minutes or dig out the root and eat beautiful, like it's a good potato replacement, or like chips. And flour. I do lots of flour recently from the cassava. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we are starting to have some more cabbages here, but not harvesting yet, they're too young. But having lots of self-seeded dill come up. And chia is coming. Here's some more lettuces. And we are about to harvest some bananas soon. And here as well. So that's pretty much it for today. I think that's all what we are harvesting at the moment. So especially lots and lots and lots of greens and some of the fruits as well. So our food forest is only 5 years old, but I'm pretty happy with it. Here's some more chili. Okay guys, so yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to put a thumb up for me. Subscribe to our channel if you still didn't. We're also having workshops, courses, online course as well, if you would like to learn how to grow, how easy it is to grow food. So just check our website permaculturehaven.com. Yeah, and check it out. Here's something really nice and interesting I want to show you for the end of this video. Who knows what it is? So yeah, if you know what it is, put a comment below and I will reveal it later on. So yeah, have a good day everyone. I wish you all the best with all your projects and see you next time. Bye.